need these photographs of yourself in order to make most of the other tools. So really the first step is, if you look in any paper, newspaper, or any publication, or any marketing piece whatsoever, you look at the photo of the real estate agent and you can tell what that person does for a job just by looking at the photo that has the arms cropped and, you know, the photos sitting there in a suit. They've all got the same look on their face or whatever. So the first thing is we need to get a photo shoot that just shows us as a person, not as a little headshot with our arms cropped off where we are looking like a cliche typical real estate agent. Because no famous person has one of them. Have a look at Josh Altman's website, and he doesn't have those dodgy, weird, you know, real estate photos in inverted commas. So that's the simple one. And then once you've got a better quality photo shoot, you don't have to pay a lot of money, but quality, the first one we'd talk about is every celebrity specialist you can name. And every one of the ones we mentioned before, Dr. Phil, Michelle Bridges, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Trainer Bob, Jillian Michaels, they've all written a book on their area of expertise.